I'm not a big fan of liquid plumber or any kind of drain chemicals, but from time to time, I do like to try them in specific scenarios. In this case, the trap was all corroded and rusted, and I really did not want to deal with it today. We are going to be testing out Instant Power Heavy Duty Single-Use Drain Opener. You can pour the whole bottle in this thing at a time. I love this stuff. It does occasionally work. Look at all of the stuff that is coming out of this thing. The only problem is, if it doesn't work, you're left with a bunch of chemicals sitting in your drain that you're gonna have to get rid of anyways. This stuff does not get the pipes hot either. This is definitely safe for pipes, but you know what? It didn't work, so we had to snake it anyways. And look at this hole that we punched in the trap because we tried to go through the top and it didn't even work. Want me to try another brand of drain opener? Hit the follow button and let me know what you use.